Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the important previous year NTSC exams questions. NTSC exams Olympiad question, today we are going to discuss it. Okay. So we shall start from our first question here. The first question is, in modern democracies, political power is distributed. The power sharing arrangement can take many forms. In the context of India, which statements are not true? So, in this question, we have to see the two most important things. The question is asking about the power sharing. The question is asking about the power sharing in the Indian context. In the Indian context, and which we have to eliminate, means not true will be the answer in this question. Okay. So, we have to first see what is power sharing in the Indian context. Okay. So we have to see this power sharing. Power sharing, if we will see the forms of power sharing, we see the power sharing. What is power sharing? Power sharing is nothing but a power is divided among the different level and organ of the government. This is the main basic concept of power sharing, that power sharing is divided among different level and the organ of government. Further we will discuss what are the levels and the organs. Okay. And if you will see, the opposite side of power sharing is the undivided political power. Okay. So, if we discuss the unpolitical power, we see the power concentrate in one hand. If any power or in any country, if the power is concentrated in one hand, we will say this country is a autocratic country, just like Russia and China. Okay. What we have to discuss here, that power sharing in the Indian context, if we say the power divided among different level and organ, example Russia, example India, it helps in shaping public policy. It's important to know what it's help in shaping public policies. Okay. So first form we have to see, we see the first form, power sharing among different organ of government. Different organ, we can see in our body that our organ have different role. Just like in the government, organ have different role. If any of the organ of our body extract it, then we will die. Just like here, if any organ of the government extract, the democracy will be collapsed. Okay. So organ of government in which the legislature, the executive and the judiciary. What is legislature? Example, in the broad context, means in the union or in center level, we will saw them as the MP, and the state level MLA. Okay. This MLA full form is member of legislative assembly. Okay. What legislatures do? They make laws. What they do? They make laws. Okay. And the executive work is to enforce the law. Just like for example, we saw in previous stage, there is a farm bill. Okay. Farm bill, when the legislature make it in the parliament, and it become act when executive sign it. Okay. Means executive the one who enforce the law. Okay. And next is judiciary. Example आपका CGI and other judges of Supreme Court, which are appointed by the executive, means example president. Okay. Here we can see the legislature, executive and judiciary are the horizontal distribution of power. Okay. Horizontal distribution means every organ here is important part. If any either of the part collapsed, the democracy will collapsed. Okay. So this type of distribution we called as horizontal distribution of power, in which judges are appointed by the executive, that is our president, which, and what judges can do, they check and balance over the executive work and the legislature work. Yeah, just remember that the judges check and balance the work of executive and judiciary. Sorry, not judiciary, legislatures. Okay. So, furthermore, further second form of power sharing is the power can be shared among government at different level. What are the level? We can see the diagram here. It's a inverted triangular. What does it mean? The more the area, the more the power. Just remember one thing, the more the area, the more the power. Just like union government, we can see, just like our Modi government is here, what they called them union government, also called them federal government, union government, central government. A whole center means whole country. Okay, and the level up down, the union government is state government or province government. In previous before 1947, the states were known as provinces. Third, panchayat and municipality. It's an important part of this level of government. Important part is panchayat and municipality. It's come after the 1992. It was there before 1992, but due to irregularities in the panchayat and the municipalities election and many disorder occurring in our country, due to that the act made in 1992 of the municipality and panchayat act was 73rd and 74 of municipality. We will discuss this further. Okay, don't worry about this. Now, third form of government. Third form is the power divided among different level of government called federal division of power. What we have seen, the power have the federal have some power, and its some power are divided in states, and states some power are divided in local government, what we called as panchayat and the municipalities. Okay. Third, the power shared among different social group, religious and linguistic groups. Okay, what are religious and linguistic group? Means they are the minorities. Okay, first one thing I have to tell you that there is no proper definition given in the constitution about who are called them minority. Okay, so just remember here the power shared among different social groups. Social group here is religious and linguistic group both. Linguistic group are those who have the just like in India we have many diversity. Okay, and there are many languages, just like in our constitution mentioned 22 official languages. Those are called as a linguistic group. Okay, and we know that our country is divided in different languages, just like first Andhra Pradesh state formed. Okay, so we are called them the social group, religious and linguistic group. Okay. Third, so to upliftment of the religious and linguistic minorities, the reservation come into picture. What does it mean? It helps women, just like in our panchayat 1/3 of the seats are reserved for women. Okay, so to the woman and the weaker section, just remember this weaker section, government decided who are the weaker section time to time. Okay, weaker section and women. So the concept of reservation come from here, from the level of government. Next, power sharing. Power shared political parties, pressure groups and movement. Just we have seen 1 week before or from at least 1 year that the Kisan Andolan is happening in the country to repeal the three farm laws. Okay, so we have saw there are movements. They are movements. Anything happen against the government, against the policy, not government, against the policies of the government. Just remember thing, against the policy of government, any protests are happening, these are known as the movements. Okay, and the pressure group, those movements are led by some of the groups, just like Kisan Sabha, okay, Kisan Union, Kisan Sabha, these are the name of the pressure groups. Okay, any pressure groups which are against the policies of the government and they led the protest against the policies, they are known as the pressure group, and their movement, they are against the policies of government are known as movements. Just remember this. Okay, so we are going to the first our question. The question is, now we have enough idea of the power sharing. Okay, so we will discuss it here. The question, what will be the answer? We have to see the not part. But which is not true in this question? Arrangement of distribution of power between different organs of government. It's right. It's right statement. Arrangement of distribution of power between different organ of the government. We have saw what are the different organs: the legislature, the executive and the judiciary. Second part, arrangement of sharing of power among two or more political parties. Okay, done. ये भी सही है. This is also right. This is also right. Second is also right. Arrangement of the division of power between different religious communities. Here, just see, different religious communities. We haven't discussed any power divided between religious communities. We have divided I taught the religious and the linguistic groups. The religious and linguistic groups. Linguistic group. Fourth means third is the wrong answer. Arrangement of the division of power between different level of the government. Yes, different level, union, state and panchayat, the lower government. Yes, means fourth is also right statement. Means in the option third is correct. The fourth one is the your answer. In this way we are going to discuss further more questions, so you have better idea of the question, what the question is asking in the exam. These are some of the previous year question of the NTSC. Okay, so furthermore we have to discuss the questions. Second question we have to discuss. Okay, here, when no party of coalition gets a majority in the Lok Sabha, the president exercise his her discretion. Now begin with the second question. The second question asked, when no party of coalition gets a majority in the Lok Sabha, the president exercise his her discretion in the appointment of the prime minister. Which of the following statement conveys the correct use of discretion of the president under the constitutional provision? These are the important question for the NTSC exam. Okay, so 3 or 4 things we have to discuss it further. First thing, coalition. What is coalition? What is coalition? When more than one party when one party or more than one party come together to form a government. this coalition form of government we saw after the 1990 era. Okay, after the 1990 era, when LPG reforms are conducted in our country, after that we have to saw that the coalition government are beginning to made. Okay, so the coalition is here when one party or more than one party come together to form a government. Okay, what is majority? What is majority? When any party or coalition government forms a 50% plus one seat in the legislative assembly or parliament, those are known as the majority government. In the Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament. Lok Sabha is the lower house of parliament. Lower house of parliament. Exercise his her discretion. Discretion is nothing but a power of the president in the appointment of the prime minister. That's it. Which of the following statement convey the correct use of discretion of the president? So we have to see here the power of the president in appointing the prime minister. Okay, so we can see here some of the example B, and we have to see how the president appoint. Appointment by president means the prime minister is appointed by president. Appointed by president. PM appointed by president. No fixed tenure. What does it mean? Just remember, if the prime minister party collapsed in the Lok Sabha or the no confidence motion is passed in the Lok Sabha, the prime minister, the government will collapse. So there is no fixed tenure of the prime minister. Means prime minister will be in the position of prime minister for 1 day also and for 5 years also. Okay, so there is no fixed tenure, no fixed tenure of prime minister. If no confidence motion is passed in the lower house, just remember the word lower house of the parliament, that is Lok Sabha. Okay, next, president call who get a majority. Now election is happening in the country. If one party get, just for example here, sake of the example, I took 2019 data to explain you about the majority. See, NDA. What is NDA? We have to see in the newspaper or in some of the news channels the word NDA always used. What does it mean? It means National Democratic Alliance, and the second, the UPA, United Progressive Alliance. See, NDA, BJP is a part of NDA. Just remember, BJP is a part of NDA and UPA is the alliance of Congress. Alliance of Congress, and NDA is the alliance of BJP. Just remember one thing, there are more than one parties meet to form a government. Those type of government is known as a coalition government. So the type of government is a coalition government. So they name the coalition as National Democratic Alliance, and the opposition named it as the United Progressive Alliance. Okay. Now we have to see, just remember, there are 550 seats in the Lok Sabha. Yes, just remember this fact, 550 seats, because in January 2020, 2 seats of Anglo-Indian seats, Anglo-Indian seats are हटा दिया गया, that are removed from the Lok Sabha. Okay, so 550 seats in the Lok Sabha, in which 543 are the total. The present status is 543. 543 is the present status of the Lok Sabha, and but the maximum seat is 550. Okay, maximum seat is 550, but present status is 543 present. Okay, in which NDA coalition means BJP coalition with other parties get 343 seats, and the opposition in which UPA get 91 and the other parties which are not part of the UPA get the 208 seats. They are simply known as opposition. Okay, if they are not part of any coalition, they just known as the opposition parties. Okay, so UPA, the main opposition of the India, get 91 seats, and the NDA, the coalition, the government coalition, majority coalition get 343. How this criteria decides? The half of 543 become approx 272. Okay, become 272, 543 plus 1. Okay, so if any party can get 272 of the seats in the election, in the Lok Sabha election, they will form a government. So how, when one party gets the 272 seats, the president call the leader of the party, or all the MP choose one person who will become the prime minister. So the president call him and took the and appoint him as a prime minister. Okay, so now we have to see our what are our options. See, the president may appoint the leader of the largest majority party in the Lok Sabha as prime minister. See, first option is the president may appoint the leader of the largest majority party in the Lok Sabha as prime minister. Okay. Second, the president appoints a leader who in his her opinion can muster majority support in the Lok Sabha and can prove majority support in the Lok Sabha. What I told, if he president appoint the prime minister, he still have to prove his confidence in the lower assembly or in the Lok Sabha. Okay, two process is happening here: appointment of the prime minister and his proving of his majority in the Lok Sabha. These two things are important for the for becoming a prime minister or some party to be in the government. So here second is the most appropriate answer. Second is the most important option. Okay, so let's begin with the another question. These are the question asked in the NTSC exams. These are the previous year questions. Okay, we discussed it. Now next question, which of the following statement related to the ideas of the liberalism in 19th century Europe are corrected? These are class 10th question. Class 10 first chapter, French Revolution history topic, and there is a topic like liberalism. Okay, so for the question we have to know from which topic it comes. Okay, so discuss it. Liberalism. Okay, first we have to see the basic definition of liberalism. So the liber derived from the Latin root. Its root are in Latin. Liber meaning free. Liber means free in Latin. Okay. अच्छा, how does they come? मतलब इनकी उत्पत्ति कैसे हुई? How they come in the picture in the French Revolution? So when the autocracy is there and the industrial revolution occur in the industrial revolution in England or Britain, we can say. So the production started of the various things. So if they have to set up a some factory, they need a intelligent or skilled labor force, okay, to handle their machinery. So they become in previous chapter we discussed it that there are only two type of people, the lower one and the higher one, okay. So after the industrial revolution, the middle one occurs, okay. So the middle, what we are today, the middle family, we can say in the, as usual we can say that we are belong to the middle family, middle income family. The concept is from the French Revolution. Middle income family come from the idea of the French Revolution. When the industrial revolution happened, the factory have to conducted by some of the skilled laborers, then their they become their now they are getting some good income. So now they are not so much lower, not so much higher, they are become middle, okay. So that children of the middle class family become, some of them become very very laborious, very studying in the studying in higher colleges or schools, okay. So they have come idea of the freedom. So this liberalism come from after the industrial revolution in England, and which have effect in the French Revolution also. So liber meaning free in Latin, freedom for India. What does what's their demand? Their demand is freedom for individual, that everyone is free, equality before law, okay, equality before law. Government by consent, consent means they want to be a elected government. A constitution and representative through parliament, okay, they want a government which are the representation in the parliament. These are the important part. And what they next want, the freedom of the market. These are the some demands of the liberal people in that time, okay. So now come to the our question, what they are asked, which of the following statement ideas of liberalism. So we have discussed already the ideas, the freedom of market, freedom government of consent, okay. So we have to see the options. Freedom for the individual, freedom for individual and equality of all before the law, yeah, it's right statement. Concept of government of by consent, yeah, it's right. Universal suffrage, these are not in the idea of the universal suffrage. Suffrage means here right to vote, but not everyone in the France right to vote, okay. So this statement is wrong. Fourth, freedom of market, yeah, it is also right. So third option is wrong. So first, second and fourth, yeah, second is the right statement. So this is the way how we can solve our NTSC question by discussing some of the major important topics and the concept here, okay. Thank you.